This 5-minute solution will show you how to change email address name on Gmail. So if you want to change or update your email address from this to this is going to be the perfect video for you. So the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, open your Gmail app. Make sure to sign in. Then tap on this menu icon at the top left. Scroll down. Tap on Send Feedback. And here, make sure to enter the exact email address, which email address you want to update or change. Right here, dear Google, I want to change my email address from this to this. And I check this email address is available. Please help me to update my email address. And then all you have to need just send this feedback and wait 24 hours. And after that, Google will change your email address on Gmail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.